Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to have a realtor on your side with construction training. And keep in mind, most realtors do not have any construction training. I repeat, do not. Because let's face it, whether the home is a new construction completed, or it's a new construction being built, or it's a resale home, you want somebody that can help you. The more eyes on your house, the better. And if you're a new homeowner, and you're unsure about how much it costs to make repairs, I suggest call some siding companies, some roofing companies, call some plumbers, see what it costs to make repairs, to fix leaks, things like that. Hundreds and thousands of dollars can be gone like that, so you always want to minimize and reduce that while the house is being built or as you're looking for homes along the way, to pick and choose what's the best option. Please always contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact the home builder first, you may lose or void your paid for by the builder realtor representation. Check out the video at the end for more information about that. I got this inventory house in the back of me called a Newcastle. It's a big one from Landsea. I'm excited to go in and see it. I have not even opened up the front door yet to look. So let's go inside. Beautiful house, look at that. Big house. I think this one's a 5-bedroom, if I'm not mistaken. And this is an inventory house, so it's not 100% completed. Okay, so you have a bedroom when you first walk in, and I like that. I feel like it should be almost mandatory with 2-story homes. Just adds a lot of flexibility. It makes it much more future-proof. As you can see, I haven't been in here because I'm turning on lights. That's what it's like when you see inventory homes. You know, you go in and you turn on light switches, and I always like my channel to be as realistic as possible. My channel is not a show. It's not a show, it's not entertainment, it's real help. That's what this is about, real help. Wow, big garage. Yeah. Lots of space over there. We have another bathroom. This is nice too. I like this over here. Place after you walk in the garage to put your keys down or whatever. Anything around this wall? No, there isn't. So this is a big room. It's just kind of like a big rectangle. Here we got the covered lanai. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow, this is something. Okay, so try to step back a little. Off to the right is some shelves, and I guess this is going to be storage under the stairs. Yeah, it is. So essentially, your storage under the stairs and your pantry are all in one, and I really like that. I like the echo in here too, with it being so empty. So kind of interesting because there's a full bathroom over here, right? And then you got a half bathroom over here. Landing over here, this is nice, and then you go up another 4 steps. So you got a nice big loft. Let's see, what do we have to the right? A bedroom. So here, this looks like the master to me. Oh no, it's not. Wait, is it? Yeah, maybe it is. Master bedroom. Okay, so the bathroom fan. Bathroom fan is right here. The toilet in the closet does have its own fan, but that's the fan for the shower. Yeah, and here's your master bedroom closet. So definitely a bit of a smaller closet. Right, so here, let's see behind the door. What kind of closet do we have? Ah, pretty standard closet. It stops around where the outlet is, but then goes towards the corner. Let's see, what is this? Kind of interesting because I'm kind of looking at it. I think I'm going to do exactly this. I'm going to flip the viewer, or should I say flip the cameras around so you can see this bathroom a little bit differently. Because it's kind of interesting. The toilet's over here, and then you got your sink. So that's kind of nice, your 2 sinks. And I think I'm just going to walk around this way now to kind of show you from this point of view, because it might actually be better. Here's a closet, towel closet. That's pretty much what that is. It looks like your laundry, and pretty standard size laundry room, I would say. Pretty standard size for sure. Got a little bit of room over here to maybe put something, but pretty much it's going to be your washer and your dryer. And now when you come over here, there's another bedroom, so kind of interesting. Closet. So you might have to just step in this one just a little bit. See, I'm standing up against the wall. So good sized closet. So let's talk about this house. Who is this house for? What do I think about it? I like it. I like that over here, it's kind of its own little section. There's 1 bedroom and there's a laundry room. Then we come over here and we have a bathroom, a full bath with a bathtub. So the master bedroom, that's not the master bedroom, this is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, which is a decent sized master bedroom for sure. Probably if anything lacks at all, it would be the closet, but you know, not many people need a huge closet in the master. I'm one of those. I just don't need a big master bedroom closet. So pretty interesting that, like over here is one bedroom, and this is a large room too. Pretty large. It's definitely not a 10 by 10. I wonder if it's like 13 by 13 or something like that. And then of course there's this loft. So very nice second floor, and I think with 4 bedrooms being up here and then 1 downstairs, you have nice flexibility. We just went down 4 steps as well, so I think if you want to age with your house and you're buying a house where you're at that age where, you know, maybe you don't really want a single-story house, but you want a 2-story, well, this has this bedroom for the future, and it has your bathtub and all that great stuff. So there's a closet here. Yes, closet. Half bath. So I think as long as you're happy with this first floor, I think that you have a great second floor for anybody that might move in to live in the future. That's my opinion, because that second floor could really be converted as well into a bit of a kitchen. And it has everything that they need upstairs. The only problem with down here would be doing the laundry. That's probably the only thing that I see. But then maybe you could have a plumber come in if you needed to in the future and convert something over. I do appreciate everyone stopping by to watch this. Check out my website, richnotohomes.com. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Beautiful day here in Florida. I think it's like 77 degrees right now. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the builder, free to you. Please contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. If you email them, call them, text them, go to the sales office, walk the models, anything that they can match up at the time of contract, they may say you cannot use a realtor. Please don't contact the builder and ask what their policies are either, because that would be your first contact. You see how this works? When I went to purchase my first house, I was given terrible advice. Everybody told me I had to pay for a realtor, which is just not true. I had no realtor and it was terrible. From start to finish, it was exhausting. I was treated poorly at sales offices, and after I signed my contract, the salesperson basically vanished on me. It was just a terrible experience. When I purchased my second house, I knew I needed a realtor, so I started searching. I encountered top sellers who seemed impressive, but they were just high pressure sales. They were telling me to go to the builder, tell them I'm your realtor. When you pick out the house you want, contact me and I'll come down and help you. They would show me 2 homes, 3 homes, ask me which one do I want to buy. Many of them couldn't even respond properly to an email, which is much like when I help my buyers to find resale homes. Many of the realtors that are selling these homes, it's like they don't even read what you wrote. So my realtor ended up being a new realtor. He was loyal. He went with me to like 20 builders that I picked out. He wasn't selling me out to sales associates. He wasn't selling me out to other realtors. He wasn't selling me out to resale home sellers. He was no doubt on my side. So like most realtors, the realtor that I picked had no construction training, no certification. At the time, I didn't even consider it. As we went from house to house with new construction, with resales, there were times I had questions and he didn't know, or he was kind of guessing, and he would at least tell me he's just guessing. The information that I received was incorrect. I realized that home inspectors are there to look over a house and find issues with them. But let's face it, the home inspector is with you for 2 hours, 3 hours looking at the house that you're interested in buying. Your realtor is with you, if the realtor is a good realtor, for potentially 6 months, 12 months while a new construction house is being built. Your realtor is going to be the one that's going to be there with you when you're dealing with rude, obnoxious construction managers that are lying to you when the home is built incorrectly, and they just want you to just go away. They want you to just sign, say the house is okay, or it's going to be passed off the warranty, and that's it. So having a realtor without construction background is not a good idea. And if I was going to be buying a house in another state, even though I have a home inspector's license and I am trained, I would still want to find a realtor that is construction trained, because the more eyes, the better. Everybody's going to spot something different. I would even potentially hire 2 inspection companies, or maybe more, to look over a house. Just some quick tips, just want you to understand that. I believe in a comprehensive realtor service where I could answer and guide and look at home inspection reports and have an understanding of what's going on and how to help my buyers best. Thanks for watching this. Back to the video.